Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are used to connect words, phrases, clauses, and sentences. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions, and you can easily remember these 7 coordinating conjunctions by using fanboys. Fanboys. These are the 7 coordinating conjunctions. For, and, no, but, or, yet, so. Let me explain these coordinating conjunctions one by one. First one is for. For is used to show a reason or purpose. As examples, Fan loves to watch Jane, for she dances beautifully. My husband and I went to Paris, for it was our first year anniversary. And connects 2 or more ideas, or in other words, it shows addition. Connects 2 or more ideas or shows addition. Examples: Meena likes to sing and dance. I like to eat pizza and I like to drink Coca-Cola. No shows a non-contrasting negative idea. Add more negativity. Examples: The virus cannot live in immunized individuals nor in nature. I refuse to hug to people I don't know, nor will I kiss them. But shows contrast or exception. Shows contrast or exception. Examples: All the children wanted to eat pizza, but no one wanted to buy it. I go to work on Saturdays, but I don't go to work on Sundays. Or shows choice or option. Shows choice or option. Examples: Do you like chocolate or vanilla better? Does she has any brothers or sisters? Yet. Yet is also similar to but. Shows contrast or exception. Examples: The weather was cold yet bright and sunny. I'm tired today, yet I will attend the party anyway. And the last one is so. It shows a consequence. It shows a consequence. Examples: Amila was feeling ill, so she went home to bed. There weren't enough beds, so I had to sleep on the floor. Use of punctuation rule number 1. If fanboys connect 2 words or phrases, don't use a comma. If fanboys connect 2 words or phrases, don't use a comma. Example: He brought a cake and a flower for me. In here, comma has not been used. Use of punctuation rule number 2. If fanboy connect 2 word phrases, if fanboys connect 2 verb phrases, do not use a comma. Example: They can either play or read a book. They can either play or read a book. In here, we do not use a comma. Use of punctuation rule number 3. If fanboys connect items in a series, use commas between each items. If fanboys connect items in a series, use commas between each items. Example: the teacher asked him to bring a drawing book, pencil, eraser, and color pencils. In here, you have to use comma between each items. Use of punctuation rule number 4. If fanboy connect two independent clauses, use comma after the first clause and before the fanboys. If fanboy connect two independent clauses, use comma after the first clause and before the fanboys. Example: she performed very well and she won the game. She performed very well and she won the game. In here, a comma has been used after the first clause and before the fanboys. I have explained you all the 7 coordinating conjunctions in a simple way. I think you can remember these coordinating conjunctions very easily. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more English lessons.